Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to block those annoying spam calls on your iPhone. Whether it's telemarketers or robocalls, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Method 1. Mute unknown callers. Open your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap Phone. Turn on Silence Unknown Callers. Calls from unknown numbers will be muted and sent to voicemail. You'll still see them in your recent calls list. Method 2. Third-party applications. Go to the App Store and download a spam blocking app, e.g. Truecaller, Namorobo, or RoboKiller. Go to Settings, Phone, tap Call Blocking and Identification. Turn on the app you installed. When a call comes in, the app checks the number and displays an identifying label, for example, spam or telemarketing. It can even automatically block calls. Method 4. Be cautious. Be wary of unknown numbers. Avoid clicking on suspicious links. Clear your history and website data if you accidentally click on a spam link. Remember, you are in control. Use these methods to prevent spam calls and have a quiet, comfortable space. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.